Here's a 2017 Lexus GX. From the power to impress with elegance and luxury in the city to the capability and versatility to hit the trails in the great wide open, it's your partner in spontaneity. It's well equipped with the features you need: V8 engine, 4-wheel drive, integrated navigation system, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, streaming audio, memory steering wheel settings, voice activated climate controls, front and rear parking sensors, and heated and ventilated bucket seats. New Car Test Drive reports cornering is actually quite good for a vehicle of this size, height, and weight. Inspired design, relentless innovation, incredible performance. That is the DNA of a Lexus. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.